happens when you stuff a supercharged V8 into a three-row SUV? You get the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a family hauler with muscle car DNA and absolutely no chill. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the boldest vehicles shaping the road ahead. Today, we're diving into the beast that is the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a supercharged SUV that proves practicality and performance can go full throttle together. Design. The 2026 Durango Hellcat carries over its aggressive styling with a few subtle updates. A revised front fascia, new LED lighting, and fresh wheel designs give it a sharper, more modern edge. But make no mistake, this thing still looks like it wants to pick a fight. The wide stance, hood scoop, and red Brembo brakes are clear signs this isn't your average crossover. Performance. Under the hood. A 6.2-litre supercharged HEMI V8, pumping out 710 horsepower. That's right, 0 to 60 in around 3.5 seconds, all in a 7-seater. Dodge has fine-tuned the suspension and all-wheel drive system for even better grip and cornering, and yes, it still sounds like thunder when you punch it. Features and technology. Inside, the Durango Hellcat blends muscle and luxury. You'll find leather-trimmed sports seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a massive 10.1-inch Uconnect touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also adaptive cruise control, a premium audio system, and available performance pages to track your stats in real time. Conclusion. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat is loud, fast, and unapologetically over the top. Exactly what you'd expect from Dodge. It's the ultimate family SUV for those who refuse to settle for boring. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more high-octane takes on tomorrow's most exciting vehicles.